Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Special request, 辣子鸡. It's like spicy mala chicken. I have 6 large chicken tender. I cut into little pieces, like bite size, small pieces like this. And I have some 4 or 5 of the spring onion, green onion. I chop it. So now we're gonna marinate the chicken. I got 1 egg. And mix it in. We're gonna make a little batter for the chicken, so it's easy to cook, and they have the coating to go with the star anise and the peppercorn, everything else. All right, and then we're gonna add some cornstarch, maybe 4 to 5 tablespoons. Let's start with 2, 3. That's about 4 tablespoons. Okay, we're gonna mix it up. I think 4 tablespoons is good. Give them a nice coating, huh? Look at that. Right? And then they're really sticky. You don't have to mix in all the cornstarch. The beauty is this. I know it's good, so I don't need to keep digging into mix it up the cornstarch. Okay, unless you need a little bit more batter, thicker. I think this is good. And we're gonna add some sesame oil. So it's easy to separate the chicken. So we give them a quick fry before we can cook the 辣子鸡. I think this is good, very shiny. You don't want to over mix in, okay? That's good, like this. They all come in forming the little pieces. Easy to eat with your chopstick. Medium high heat. I use a large skillet. Warm the skillet for a couple of minutes until nice and warm. Put some oil in. We're just gonna give the chicken a shallow fry and heat up the oil for a minute. Nicely hot. Okay, let's try a piece. Make sure the oil is pretty good. Almost there. That's how you cook. Okay, now it's good. So what I like to do is I spray like few at a time. And then you can separate once the chicken start frying. Don't worry about that. You just spray the chicken. Instead, put all together, you spray the chicken. You see, and don't bother the chicken. Let them get a chance to cook, you know? Even like this, okay, just spray it out. That's good. We want to crispy the chicken first. Just let it cook. That's beautiful. We want the chicken to be nicely cooked and the coating is nice and crispy. About a minute. Give them a quick turn. They still stick together, but don't worry. Okay? As long as they're not burned, they're golden brown. Okay? You see that? Give them a quick flip. Okay, this side, just maybe for 15-20 seconds. And then we can start separate it, you see? Right? Because you have that coating with the sesame oil, so they were easy to separate because the chicken doesn't come in the big chunks. The chicken comes into little pieces. See? A lot of time we are panicking, we did not know, we just disturb the chicken too much. See? Even we separate, they still have coating on the chicken, so it requires a little longer to pan fry, just called shallow fry. Now we use the nice clean oil to fry the chicken. We call pan shallow fry. Okay. Now we just want the chicken to be cooked. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Nice and crispy. Once the chicken done frying, we take it out and drain it out, the oil, excess oil, and set on the side, and we're going to stir fry the lapsu chicken. We have to fry the chicken until like really golden brown. So the crispy breading gives you a really nice texture when you cook the lapsu chicken. Couple more minutes, done. Next, I use the sand pan, turn it to high heat. Little bit vegetable cooking oil, have to be the clean oil, so they give them more power to cook. Okay, and then the green onion in, and ginger, garlic in. 1 tablespoon each, maybe 7 or 8 star anise, just for flavor. And the peppercorn, mala. This is the key. This will spicy and numb your palate in. So you can put a little more. And then you can use dry roasted pepper, or you can just use dry chili. It's the same pepper. Okay? Alright. Here we go. Here we go. This is the smoke flavor delicious part. Okay? And then this chicken is nicely drained. You see that? In. All in. Now we need to dry sear. Fry. You see that? The flavor? In. Very quick. Pepper. A pinch of salt. Sake. Woo! 辣子鸡蛋 So delicious. Look at that. You don't want to cook too long because you want the chicken still semi-crispy. Delicious. This is really good with beer. Look at that. That is your 辣子鸡. Very simple, delicious to make. If you have a little more green onion, put more green onion on the top. Wow. Star anise, peppercorn, ginger, garlic, roasted. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful this piece. Wow. Crispy. The real authentic Asian flavor. Dry. Chicken got a lot of flavor packed with ingredients. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Here's your 辣子鸡. Enjoy.